For generations, we found new ways to improve your everyday with appliances you can truly rely on. But now, with everything orchestrated by one intelligence, we're unlocking an even better way of living. This is what's possible when your home understands you better, sensing what's happening, listening to your needs, always within reach. Because when everything everywhere is in tune, every moment becomes effortless, giving you the freedom and peace of mind to focus on what matters. With the power of AI, appliances become something far greater.